Hey, what's up everybody? Danny here, and welcome to this video on how to create a personal branded presentation in less than 5 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, there's a couple requirements. Actually, there's really only one requirement, big requirement that you must have before you get started. And that is you have to have an image. Okay, so if you have a brand, if you have like my brand is Black Belt Entrepreneur. So I'm going to have a branded logo that I'm going to use. Now you may just use your name and that's totally fine, but you should have a font styling, some sort of brandable image that you use for all of your digital assets. So any PDF documents, any signatures, anything that you use. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how I do it in Keynote. You can do it in PowerPoint, you can do it in OpenOffice. There's a bunch of other different softwares you can use, but I use Keynote, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in Keynote. I'm going to hit Keynote, and then I'm going to go to New Document, and I'm going to create a brand new white presentation. Okay, so you can use any one of these as you want. I'm just going to click on that. Now, here is a blank slate. I like to be very, very, very minimal when I approach branding, because there's a lot of brands out there that are very flashy and they have, background images, like 5 different layers and 5 different images and different textures and filters. And so I don't do that. That's not how I roll. So what I only need is one simple thing, and that is my logo. So my branding image. Okay. So I'm going to go up to my Google Drive. I use Google Drive to source all of my digital assets so that my team can access them as well. And I'm going to go to my images folder. Okay, and if you don't have a logo, it's totally cool. You can get one for $5 on Fiverr.com or Upwork. You can hire a graphic designer to set up something for you. You can use 99 Designs. 99 Designs is a great one. I've used it for a couple of my niche specific brands in the past, and they do a great job. So if you're having trouble trying to figure out, how do I get a logo design? I'm not a graphic designer. No worries. I didn't design my logo, and I got it from Fiverr. So for Black Belt Entrepreneur, that is. So let's see. I'm gonna go to logos. Oh, that's not it. It's got a bunch of different ones in here. When you get a logo done, it's good to get a couple different versions so that you have something to choose from, and you can actually, get some feedback from social media and if you have an email list to get the best one. So this is the one I'm going to use. It's at 300 dots per. Let's see. Yep. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here. At 300 dots, there we go. I'm going to drag that. All I'm going to do is take the file, drag it, and drop it onto my slide, and I'm going to adjust it, make it smaller. And then just center it down here at the bottom. And that's it. I have a branded master slide that I can duplicate. I can just right click here, duplicate, and use for my presentation. Put in a title, awesome training, and you're good to go. So that's really all it comes down to. You don't have to be flashy, just keep it simple, and you'll save yourself some time, some headache, and get to what's most important, and that is focusing on delivering great content. Thanks for checking out this video. If you have any interest in personal branding or other tips, tools, and strategies for building a personal brand, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out some of the information and links below to get more information on how you can build a personal brand this year. Thanks. Take care.